my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. But if you've been a bestie for the restie, how you doing? But let's jump straight into it. TGIN is a lifesaver. TGIN. And that's, thank God, it's natural. And I'm like, why not? And so literally I brought the conditioner, the shampoo, the more conditioner, leave-in, and this big bad boy right here, the detangling one. So, and this is actually me, okay? Hold on, shake her out. So this is her. Yeah, she's a little bit under the weather right now, okay? It's girl, I'm still trying to learn myself and be confident in the hair that God gave me. So, and I just want others to feel like, hey, let's try it. Let's go through it together. What products I need? Boom, 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 hit me up. So if you have any other brands that you would like to suggest to me and say, hey, girl, have you heard about this? Please just link in the comments below. I'm trying just like you. And it's taken me a whole year. So let's get it popping and let's try these new products because I'm so excited. So this one is the Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. And I like how you can just turn it and call this a day. Ooh, and it smells like mangoes. So let's get under this water and see what she do. So one thing I can say about that shampoo, it smells amazing. And my hair just feels naturally softer now. And I didn't need to use a lot. So that actually tells me I can save this for a very long time until I reorder. So this, hands down, 10 out of 10. Now what I'm about to do is put in one of these conditioners. Okay, this is the leave-in. The Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. I'm about to put that in my hair. Also at the same time, I'm going to put the Quench 3-in-1 Cold Wash Conditioner and Detangler. So it saves me a couple of steps. So I'm gonna put these two together and just finger coil it. Good consistency. Love it. Now a plus is, you see that? You're getting some curls, you're getting definition. And hands down amazing. I think this might be my top. I might start throwing the rest of the products out. TGIN is gonna be on my top list. Jesus Christ. Look at that, curls. All right, let's next section.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. It's something about her. I said, ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. It's something about her. Cause she walk like the boss, talk like the boss, manicure and nails, just like the pedicure boss. Fly effortlessly. And she move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting it all. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent, won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be 100% honest. This is by far the best shampoo and conditioning, everything that I went through ever. Because normally it's not that easy. I literally halving down the time. Like my hair feels soft, it got curls in here. I can rub my fingers. Oh my God. That's when you know you found a good product, when you can rub your fingers. And I can tell like the weight is down. I don't know if my curls are long. See, this gonna be hard. My other hair products got some competition, y'all. Okay, so now we're really about to have some fun. And we're gonna go over the 3D mirror because this actually saved my life because I couldn't see like the back of my head and it makes no sense that the front look nice, but your back of your head look like who shot John to kill him. So what we're gonna start off first is we gotta section it. So we're gonna use a tooth comb. And then I look at the back of this mirror right here. Then we're also gonna use some black castor oil. This is a keeper right here. It's been going on for years, so I definitely recommend the Lottie Body. So what I do is I personally divide it into two. Then I take the cream that I got right here, and it smells amazing. Got some all up. But I take this, and so I take the butter. I'm still add some more because we just added some moisture on there. You don't have to add too much. I get the castor oil. I take a dab of it because it's a lot of oil. You don't want to break out. Okay, too much oil, you're gonna break out. You take the oil, right, and you put it through your hair. Okay, so you take your dimming brush, and you can actually get this at Sally's, or you can get it on Amazon. I say like Walmart. Take this in, and now it's time to twist. Okay, move extras out because you don't want extra parts in your hair. And you do the up twist motion. Again, you twist up, twist up, twist up, twist up. And you're going down with it. So that's a whole lot easier. And then once you get towards the end, when you start running out, you finger cool. As long as you get that curl. Even though it may not be perfect, I may turn around, people may laugh and be like, oh, her part's not straight. That's fine. That doesn't matter. As long as that curls come out, you're good.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach.
Guess what, y'all? I forgot to tell you. Now, you stay here for my video, you're gonna know. If you left before the video, then good luck. It's called the Maui brand leave-in, and this is definitely for thick hair too. This is a keeper. Spray this on, because that's your golden ticket right there. It's that leave-in. This leave-in is to die for. I love it. It is one of my go-tos for all of my hair products as well. So definitely add this to your collection. I swear to God, please stay tuned at the end of the video so you can see the whole transition of it, how many days, how it look afterwards. So let me take care of this, and we're gonna be moving to the front, baby.
Running and tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment.
Alright, we finally made it to the front, y'all. So it's the front of my hair. If you have any type of dandruff problems, because this right here, the Pattern Scalp Serum, this actually works too. So I noticed I had a little bit of dandruff in my scalp, always on the middle right here. So I just put a little bit on, I dab it, and all I do is just rub it through. The end goal is to have that natural curly moist type hair. I hate that word, but you get what I'm trying to say. It's just like cooking a little bit. You know, sometimes you eyeball it, you taste it, you put your foot in it. You should not be feeling like you're pulling your hair. So look how smooth that is. So again, all you're trying to do is put your hair in a twist in little, like medium-sized sections, and you're good. As long as they look plump, like, whew, I'm gonna be real with you, I'm tired as hell.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you Proverbs 31 with it, huh? Yeah. I see, oh, you Proverbs 31. I see, yeah. Oh, you Proverbs 31 with it, huh? I see. Oh, you virtuous, yeah. Faithful, faithful. All around, hold it down for the crib. I know you won't trip. When I tell you, got me talking, and we gotta do what he said. I know you'll trust it. Oh, you a winner over many, and we wait until we ringed up. You ain't even tryna tempt me. I know it ain't penny like you, cause you different. I know you was God-given, God-given. God gives and he take away. I'm just praying that you stay. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you Proverbs 31 with it, huh? Yeah, I see. Oh, you Proverbs 31. I see. Yeah. Oh, you Proverbs 31 with it, huh?
So we finally made it towards the end. So this is the hair that you're looking at right here. Boom, boom. It's nice and juicy and everything. Here is the back. Do not laugh, okay? Try my best, okay? It does what it does, okay? So stay tuned towards the end so you can see like the transition of the days. As days go by or weeks go by, I will wear it max 2 weeks. That is it, and you washing it. So about to hit this shower, about to give me a good night's sleep and get ready for my 9 to 5. I am so sorry that I feel like I'm so tired right now because I woke up like at 5. It is now like 6:30 because I'm getting ready for work. So I'm definitely not a morning person. So again, I'm gonna show you with this one right here. Since it's closer, you literally just spread it apart and then you go the opposite way to untwist. Once it gets untwisted, you just spread it like this. Boom. Sometimes I spread in 4. Sometimes they create more frizziness. So if you want to just do just 1 and it's spread out to 2 to 3, 2 and that's 3, boom, you're good. So now I'm gonna do my whole head and we're gonna see how the results come out.
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly, it unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow deep down in my soul, in every moment, surrounded all alone. When all creation groans, I will sing of
right here, and I swear I only pulled out the pick because in the back of my head I had like a few little holes in there. That's the only reason why I pulled that pick out, so it can all blend in. But normally I put my fingers, I just shake it out a little bit. Okay, let me move back a little bit so hopefully you can see me. And yeah, I'm actually just gonna head out to work, go like this, and here's the back, and it's time to go. Thanks for watching this video. Please stay tuned towards the end so you can check out how to spread it out, do multiple days up to 2 weeks, and I'll see y'all next time. Love you. Bye.